Finding a profitable niche for Amazon KDP can feel so overwhelming. A lot of self-publishers spend time on their computer searching for different niches that can give them volume of sales. And with so many options out there, it is tough to know which ones are actually worth your time. The last thing you want to do is to spend hours creating a book that never sells because the market is too competitive, or maybe there are just no demand for that particular niche. So if you're struggling with a niche to sell to make profit on Amazon KDP, don't worry, I've done the research, and on this channel I always bring you profitable niches. So today I'm going to be revealing to you in this video a niche that not just only beginner friendly but also has low competition and high in demand. This means you have real shots at making consistent sales without fighting against thousands of other sellers. So stick around to the end of this video because this one could be a game changer for your KDP journey. And in this video also, I'll be showing you random self-publishers that are making way above $1,000 every single month, and that when you publish this book, you're going to also make sales for yourself. So let's dive into the video. Amazon Kindle store, you will see a lot of books published by self-publishers just like you, and these books are making sales. As you can see, you see their reviews. So many, like this one has about 114 reviews. This shows that people are buying these books. But the thing is that these titles, these niches may have been saturated, and as a beginner or you just want to publish on that particular niche, you might likely not record sales. That's why you see so many people complain about publishing a book and they're not recording sales. You don't just see a niche and you jump into it and publish. Maybe at the time the person published that particular niche, it was not competitive, and by the time you want to publish it, it is now highly competitive. That's why you don't need to jump onto any niche you come across. So you need to ensure that that niche is very profitable and the competition is not too much before you start publishing. So for today, the niche we'll be talking about today is tiny garden coloring books for kids. So this particular book is very low in competition, high in demand, and very profitable. I'm going to prove to you that it is very profitable in this video, and I'll also show you how you can create your own and publish. So when you check, I'm using Titan Quick View to analyze this particular niche. Now, Titan Quick View, if you have a search results of 1,000 and below, it will tell you that that niche is not competitive. Like many people have not published on that particular niche. So as you can see, the search result is giving 267, which is very good. There are a lot of people have not published on this niche, which is there are opportunity for you to just jump into it and publish it, and you will record sales. So search result is already satisfied. Another thing I need to analyze, I will use to analyze this niche to show you that it is profitable, high in demand, is the niche score. Whenever a niche has a niche score of 50 and above, that niche is very profitable because a lot of people are searching for it. Now, the niche score is giving 62, which is very satisfactory. As you can see, independently published is 15. A lot of people have not yet published this book, and so it's very huge opportunity for a beginner or you to publish it and make profits. The another factor I'll be using to analyze this niche is to check 1 or 2 or 3 different titles on the first page of Kindle store and check if they have bestseller rank of 300 or less. It will tell you that these people are making sales. So I'll be checking that. For instance, this one is independently published. You can see it's published on the January 21st, 2025. It has 566 bestseller rank, which is very good. I'm going to be showing you how much this person is making every day and every month. Let's search for another one. Then this one is also the one that has the title that is very close to what we are looking for. This is independently published on January 2nd, 2025. This has bestseller rank of 1,531, which is very good. Then this is also independently published, 24,437. Now, to show you that these people are making sales every month, I'm going to be checking how much they make every month using bestseller rank to calculate their monthly and daily earnings. So the bestseller rank is 566, and the price is just $7.99. So 566, let's check. So just enter the bestseller rank 566 to now calculate everything for you. So as you can see, this person is making huge sales every day and every month. For every day, is recording 217 copies, selling 217 copies every day, and 605 every month. And every day, this person is recording 835 and 25 above $25,000. So as you can see, this is very profitable, and this is independently published by just a self-publisher like you and I. So let's check the second one. The second one is giving bestseller rank of 1,531, and it's just $7.99. 1,571. So this person is also making above. This person is making $408 every day and above $12,000 every month. As you can see, this is so profitable for them. They are making a huge source of money. So let's check this third person. This is 24,000. The bestseller rank is 24,437. $24,437. So as you can see, this person is the least. This person is also making above $1,000 every month, which is very, very good for a self-publisher. Now, to show you that this book is very simple to make as a beginner, it is very beginner friendly. Let's just use one of them to show you the interior of this book. You can see the interior. You can see the interior. This is just something you can create using Canva. This is just typical example of a garden for kids. So you can design your own differently. It mustn't be exactly like this. Even though the niche is about tiny garden, remember that your title needs to be different from every other person's title. So choose a very unique title that is not cumbersome. So if you want to know how to make this coloring book, I've already made a video of how you can create coloring book, different types of coloring book. I'm going to leave the link in my description. Just click on the link. It will take you to that particular video on how to create a coloring book using Canva free version. In case if you don't have Canva Pro, you can use Canva free version to create your coloring book. Trust me, it is not very difficult. It's a step-by-step tutorial that I've already made, and it's very simple. You can create your own and publish. Remember, I said that this particular niche is low in competition. Many people have not published on it, so you have opportunity of making sales when you publish on this book. So that will be all for this particular niche. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Stacy, and on this channel I always bring about different ways you can make passive income online, either through Amazon KDP or through other online sources. If this is the type of content you would love to be seeing, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell as soon as I drop a new video about how to make passive income online.